Check out this amazing transformation of this old farm building. Stay till the end. I really need your help figuring out what's inside. Need to do something with this ugly door. Should have made a video of this process. Totally would have went viral. So satisfying. We're going to take this from rustic to modern farmhouse. It was really hot this day. I was pretty proud of my little trick turning my sawhorse into an umbrella stand. It's now one of my new favorite little mobile workstations. Apologize for the back sweat. Hello, modern farmhouse. Real happy with the progress of this transformation. Here's scraping barnacles off the roof. I'm really excited to show you guys the inside of this building. It is a mystery, that's for sure, but I think it has some pretty cool potential too. Hang in there and enjoy the time lapse. Wait. 11 feet in diameter, 5.5 feet deep.